Today I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade Sazon seasoning. Let's get started. We have here today a recipe for homemade Sazon. You can throw away that package of Sazon. I have here a very easy way to make a homemade Sazon. Okay, to begin, we have 1 cup of ground Annatto, 1 tablespoon of ground Cumin, and 2 tablespoons of ground Coriander, a 1/4 cup of garlic powder, a 1/4 cup of onion powder, and just a teaspoon of salt. You can eliminate the salt if you want. I put a little salt in it. And 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. And 1 teaspoon of paprika. Okay. And now all we're going to do is just whisk all this together. Whisk, mix it all up. And that's it. Mix this all together, and then we're going to put this into a glass jar that is sealed, tightly sealed. And there you have it. Homemade Sazon, which eliminates a lot of additives that are in the packaged Sazon. Okay, everything's mixed up and it's ready for use. You can use like one or 1.5 teaspoons equals a package of the Sazon, and use this for a lot of your meat dishes, rice, beans, soups, stews. It's really good in those dishes. Just want to make mention, one of Maya Angelou's inspirational quotes: do the best you can until you know better. When you know better, do better. Homemade Sazon. Enjoy. Homemade Sazon, ready to season your delicious dishes. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. Peace and love to everyone, and have a blessed day. And thank you so much for watching my video.